Hello, this is W3OY Ray, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I actually got some cool stuff from a buddy of mine. I have a buddy of mine from work who watches online auctions, and he found these for me. So, we got some good ones here. We got a nice Paclock, dead shackle, dead core, all brass. This is like really cool, an all brass laminated Paclock. Some nice Yales. Actually, keys with these. These are both keyed alike. Nice sleigh maker. This Yale here doesn't have a key, but we're gonna lock it up and pick it. So probably not today. There was some other cool ones in here. Where'd you go? There's another couple Yales here. Also keyed alike. Just pretty cool. Bunch of master locks, freaking old ones. But anyway, I figured this would be cool to just have Ray's junkyard and just pick some junkyard locks and just to pick them. Have one here that I want to do right now for Parky. So we're gonna do this brass pack lock for Parky. Since he was going for Parky A to Z, we're going to give this one a shot. We are not going to use a vise. We're just going to pick this guy in hand. Okay, short hook and a turner. Okay, we're going to try this again. Dogs are being bad, cats being bad. Just a pain in the butt. 5, little clicker. 4, okay. 3, 5, 4, 3, good. Beautiful. It's a nice Pacific Lock Company. Pacific Lock Company number 95G. Laminated brass padlock. A to Z for Parky. Anyway, thanks to anybody who watched this. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.